Get excited about the 2016 Subaru Legacy. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a blind spot monitoring system, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.